Hello everyone, this is Komal. Welcome again in my vlog. So today we will discuss who is the most important in our life. As we know and as we learn and as we see that in our previous channel there are so many lines which motivates you. But according to me, we should know who is the most important person in our life. Our parents, our mother, our father, sister, relatives, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, children's who? I know every one of you was thinking different and different point of view. For me, that person is important. For me, that person is important. And definitely I damn sure you will you are thinking at this time when you will see my video, you will think when I will ask that who is the most important in your life, you will definitely think that your lover whom you love so much. But I want to tell you, most important person in our life only we, because because we always go and see and listen other person thinking other person's point of view, but we never think and we never try to explore our views, our interest, our desires. We always think about other person. Yes, there are so many people who think about themselves, but they never try to manipulate their life by other person. Why is this important? Why always say in my previous channel I have posted 2 or 3 vlogs as per me, but in there you will see and you will listen common line that we are important for ourselves, we are important for ourselves. Do you know why I pressurize this sentence? Because everyone is sad because of some reason, because of some other person, but they never think who is the most reason of their sadness, who is the first reason of their sadness, their disturbance, their depression. But no one think and no one try to change themselves. So I would like to share one thing. We are we are the most important in our life. If you will not love yourself, it means you can't love other person. If you will not modify yourself, it means you will not try to modify other person, and you should not to other person, you shouldn't modify to other person, because we don't have rights that we can put our thoughts, we can put our views on other person. Why we will do this? Is this necessary or not? No, we can change only ourselves, and we can read other person face. But when this will be happen, when we will happy ourselves, when we will keep calm ourselves. If suppose we are not doing for ourselves and we are thinking continuously about another person, so what will be happen? We will depress and we will like drawn in that person feeling, in that person thinking. What will be happen? You don't have the time to think about yourself. So I will tell you some important lines. First, love yourself. Second, respect yourself. Third, modify yourself in better way. And fourth, ever say truth with yourself. Don't say a lie. This is a most important beautiful line in our life. If we will try to do that, and if we will catch this, then we can become more and more beautiful, more and more powerful, more and more successful in our life. One thing more I would like to share, who is the most important in our life? We knows we ourselves, only we are the important in our life. But do you think that only we will think, yes, we should love ourselves, but in the next day, in the next to another day, Only some confusion, some disturbance occurs in our life, and again our thinking, our mind become change. But it never will be happen. It never will be happen if you will think only about yourself. One thing more, one thing more. It doesn't mean that if you will think only about yourself, then you will forget other person feeling, you will forget other person respect, you will forget other person age, you will forget other person seniority. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. Why? Because that represent our behavior, our upbringing, which our parents try to change and try to put on us from the childhood time. And you are thinking that why I'm making the video on this picture. Why? Because they both love their self. They never leave and they never try to leave each of other. So we should love ourselves as like this. We should become happy. We can't say to other person, yes, you can't do anything